Is it cheaper to repair or replace damaged concrete? Short answer, it depends. The question to ask is how it was damaged in the first place. If your concrete is susceptible to damage because of poor grading, water, or other issues, it would be better to determine if those factors can be remedied. Repairing concrete is far cheaper than repouring, but not if the repair has to be done again and again. If the concrete is heavily damaged, it might be best to replace it. Here are some considerations to help you decide. Extent of damage. Minor cracks, surface spalling, or small areas of damage can often be repaired cost-effectively. On the other hand, extensive damage, deep cracks, or significant structural issues may require complete replacement. The age and overall condition of the existing concrete can play a role if the concrete is relatively new and in good shape. Aside from minor issues, repairs may be more economical. 20 years or older, deteriorating concrete might benefit more from replacement. Repair costs. Sometimes repair materials and labor can be more affordable than a complete replacement. However, keep in mind that multiple repairs over time can add up, making replacement a better long-term investment in some cases. On the contrary, most repair jobs will cost only up to approximately 1/3 the cost to repour. Structural integrity. If the concrete has significant structural issues that pose safety concerns, or if it no longer meets building code requirements, replacement may be necessary for safety and compliance reasons. Time constraints. Repairs can often be completed faster than pouring new concrete, which can be an important factor if you need the surface to be functional quickly. Future plans. Consider your long-term plans for the area. If you anticipate further development or changes, it might make more sense to invest in replacement now rather than repeating later. Depending on how your concrete was damaged and how quickly the damage occurred, will determine whether you should repair or replace it. Talk to a foundation repairer expert to get more details. Environmental impact. Reusing existing concrete can be more environmentally friendly than pouring new concrete, which requires more energy and resources. In most cases, it's better to repair under normal conditions, even if the soils underneath are not even. Concrete leveling with polyurethane would be a more cost-effective solution. Any cracks that occur can be repaired at a fraction of the cost to replace. Speak to your foundation repair expert. Find out about warranties, if any. And remember, the most important thing in all of this is the longevity of your home. Thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure to check out our website and our social media, and we'll see you in the next video.